What's up, YouTube? Good morning. This is Gio coming to you with another one. So I've been having problem with this GE dishwasher for this customer here. Complaint originally was no lights, nothing is working, nothing functioning. So I went ahead and I test from the main control board. You know how we're able to come and test. Right now I got it hot wired because I'm running tests on this control board before I go back out to the customer, just trying to make sure it works. You know how we usually test the main control board, test the pins um, under the connector for going to the UI interface. We're able to test pin 2 to 5 and check voltage. The old board, I had tested it, and um, I want to flip this over so you could see there's just a flashing light on it there, flashing rapidly. The old board, I tested it, and I was not getting voltage. Going to the UI, the user interface, I wasn't getting any voltage from any of the pins down there. So the diagnostic was defective main control board, which I went ahead and replaced. Got back to the customer house, replaced it, and still no lights, nothing was going on. So I was like, "My, what's going on?" So I went ahead and before I took the new board that I ordered back out to the customer to install it again, I said, "Let me hook it up to my new feed, to my Smart HQ, and kind of check and see what's going on. To make sure that it does light up. It does light up before I take it back over to the customer." And it wasn't coming on. Nothing was happening, and I wasn't able to connect to it using the Smart HQ. So I went ahead and I bought the new wire harness and also the new UI user interface control, and now I am able to connect to it, read all the codes, and also I'm able to operate the loads, which is something very useful. You could see no fault code. I can come over here, I can click on operate loads. It's gonna say move to diagnostic test. I can enter service mode, and they just lit up the control there, the user interface. See that little light? I don't know. Can you see that light on right there? Yeah. Smart HQ is still blinking, and the light is still flashing rapidly on the main control board. Now, in the manual, it states that on the main control board, when the light is flashing rapidly like that, it means communication error, replace, control. And that's not the case. Alright, so I come over here to operate load, and you see I can choose each load here. Let me turn that on. See if it does anything. Yep, and it did turn on the water valve. You could see it's counting down. So if I test the pins for the water valve on there, that's definitely should be energized. Valve test, I can come all off. I can come turn the heater on. And now, I notice, the user interface is working. So this is some of the things I like to do, because I bought the board, I took it back to the job, I replaced it, the unit didn't light up. I was thinking they sent me a defective board, so this is the replacement. I ordered it, it came in, And I say, before I take it out and install, I want to hook it up, test, and make sure that the functions work. That way, I don't go back out and still can't get this thing running. Yeah, you can see the drain pump did turn on, all off. See all the options I have. Just got this all hot wire. Just want to make sure that the user interface did light up. So I end up replacing the wire harness and the user interface as well. That's what it seemed like. It fixed the issue. So you come here, exit service mode, and you see the UI all lit it up there. Alright, so now I can contact the customer, go back out, install this unit, and all set to go. Just wanted to share that. Alright, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.